Hi there. Alright, this is just a quick review of what you get in the kit. Basically, one Ego LCD comes in a case. It's like a vinyl finish. Okay, then you've got one Ego, two Egos, one power supply. Okay, I've got the Euro plugs, so I'll send you those. One USB lead, and you get 4 tips basically, and these are the new Type B tank systems. Okay, I'll show you that in a second. Okay, you get the button protector. These were out on the first generation Egos, but you don't need these anymore because the new ones have got 5-click technology, which basically what it means is that when they come in, I'll just turn it off. When they come in, they'll be in the off mode. Okay, so basically when you're traveling, if you press them, if you look, nothing happens. Doesn't turn on. And you actually, I don't know if you can pick that up, it actually says off, just to tell you. Got it?
No.
Okay, don't worry about it, but it says off there in the LCD. Okay, then to turn it on, you just press it 5 times. 5 times within 2 seconds. And then obviously, I know you might be able to hear it, pick that up, it's actually starting to burn, the atomizer's working. And then I'll tell you about the details in a second of that. Okay, basically the tanks you get, or the atomizers, are the new tank system. So standard atomizer, okay, but they got the new tank system. Okay, these are the tanks basically. We just pop them off. You just pop your juice in. See if we can get it to go back on. I think I've overfilled that one. So okay, yeah. Basically, if you overfill it, you create a vacuum, and it doesn't go back on. Okay, and basically that just pops into there like that. Okay, and then that's your tank system ready to go. And these are the new style. They're a lot bigger than this one here is a Type A, and that's a Type B. Oh, you can see that's the cone shaped one. Those are the ones that would have been out for a long time. These are the new ones. The kit comes with the new ones. You get 2 atomizers, 4 tips, and the actual mouthpiece, it's actually got like a rubberized finish on it. So, well, I'll take that out. Just take the carts out. Now I'll just show you. There's quite a big difference. You know, they're a bit fatter. You know. So they hold quite a bit more than the Type A. But the Type B still fits as well. Okay, there we go. Alright, show the battery. So now the battery's on. Okay. Can you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah, focused?
Yeah.
Okay. Now basically to the left hand side you've got every time I press it or take a drag on it, it will actually, you've got an LCD bar. At the moment it's reading 3. So it's, you know, about 75% full. Now this battery I've been using for about, well, from about 11-12 o'clock today, you know, so probably about 10 hours on and off. So far it reads 160. So every time you press it, it starts off at 0 and it basically just works its way up. I'll just show you this one here. This one's off, so press it 5 times. Okay, turns on. And then if you look at this one, it says 0. And you see it, pressing it, and the lights are up, the battery gauge is up, so you can see the battery gauge saying it's full. And every time I take a draw, it starts counting upwards. Yeah, tells you how many drags you've taken and so on. Fairly useful, especially when you want to go out, you know. Depends on how long you press it, I suppose, but to tell the truth, roughly I've been getting anything from 200 to 250, you know, depends on how long you draw on it. Battery standard 650 mil or 650 milliamps. Okay, I've got another 650 battery here, and as you can see, it's a little bit longer, not a lot. Same diameter, 14mm. There's a lot of other kits out there, a lot of cheap kits there. Basically batteries are coming a lot bigger now, so you know, your other accessories won't fit. So the good thing about this battery is a standard Ego, it fits everything else, you know, cartomizers, everything, all that kind of stuff. The new gigantomizers, whatever you want to fit on them, it all fits. That one says off, leave that off. Okay, so basically that's your battery. Then you can plug that in and then you're ready to start vaping. LED light on it is blue, something different. Most of the other ones I had are usually white, as you can see with that one. So this one's blue with a blue light LED. So you've got a battery gauge on that side, on the left hand side, tells you how much it is, and you've got on this side basically just a counter, 1, 2, whatever, how many times you press it, wherever it goes up to. As I said, I've been getting from about 250 roughly, you know, but it depends on what you puff, you know. What is it? The charger lead, basically, plug it into your port here, your charger, standard USB, or you can just plug it into your laptop or anything else. And then as soon as you plug it in, if you look, now if you can you get that?
Thereabouts, yeah.
Yeah, basically it says C for charging, so that means it's charging, and then basically that will charge, and then obviously that there will go to green. Once that goes green, then you know your battery's charged. First time you charge it, once that goes green, just let it charge for about another hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, just to get the battery fully used. You know, and basically once it, as I said, charge it and deplete the battery completely, at least the first 2 cycles. You'll get better battery life, rather than just charging it, you know, whenever you want. but you only have to do that the first 2 times, I would say. If you can do that, your batteries will last a little longer, rather than just using them out of the box. I think that is pretty much about it. So I'll just to recap, you get 2 LCD batteries, 2 atomizers, charger, charging lead, battery connector, and you get the 5 tips, rubber tips again, and all the casing. Yeah. That's about it really. And head over to my eBay page. Name's Imran9995. Okay. One thing I will just show you as well. Got these new clearomizers for the Egos. These are new again. I don't think anyone's got these in. Same with these. I'm the first person in the UK to bring these to UK, the LCDs. Basically, they just fit on there. And with these, they're a bit like the C4s, you know, or the G4s I should say. And basically what they are is, basically it's a bottom feeder system. You just take them, top it up, put it in there, don't put it in the centre. Rubber cap goes back on, and that cap goes on, and then you just vape away, basically. So that's a new thing I've got. They'll be on my eBay page as well. As I said, these batteries, standard batteries, as you can see, they fit perfectly fine, you know. So as you can see, all different makes fit on there. Yeah, they all work. That's about it really.